Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring your phone is idle and free of accessories. This reduces pressure on ports and protects the MagSafe magnets. Once done, wipe both the phone and case interior with a lint-free cloth to remove dust. Particles cause lifting and poor fit. Make sure to orient the case so the camera cutout aligns. This prevents twisting during installation. You want the MagSafe ring centered, so take a breath and position the top edge first before moving on to the next step. Now you align the camera, buttons, and charging port carefully. Alignment ensures functionality and prevents stress on edges. Start by inserting the top edge over the phone's top bezel. This anchors the case. Then, slowly press along each side toward the bottom, working methodically so the case seats evenly. You should feel gentle snaps as the corners engage. These indicate a secure fit. Make sure the MagSafe ring centers over the phone's coil, so wireless charging remains efficient. Finish by testing all functions. Press buttons, open the camera app, and attach a MagSafe charger or accessory to verify magnetic alignment. If anything feels tight or misaligned, remove the case and inspect the edges for trapped debris. Cleaning and reseating usually solves it. Don't force the case. Excess pressure can warp the fit. If gaps or poor magnet connection persist after cleaning, contact the seller for a replacement. This prevents long-term wear and preserves warranty coverage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.